Hello, my name is Alexa and I work at the House of Competence, or as we call it at KIT, the HoC. What is HoC? HoC is your address for key qualifications, and we will be your partner throughout your studies if you let us be. So we offer you around about 100 courses per semester in 5 main topics which I will present to you. Our first topic is organizing learning. That's all about self and time management and, for example, how to prepare for your exam. The second topic is presenting and communicating. This topic is about communication in general, but also on scientific communication and presentations. I have a tip for those of you who participate in the buddy program from the International Students Office. We have extra places for you in our courses regarding intercultural communication. Our third topic is called Research, Organized, Reflexive and Creative. Here it's all about finding your own research questions, organizing your own study projects to collaborate about data literacy and about the ethical aspects of your research. The next topic is scientific writing, so it's all about your written products. How to cite, how to write citations, what about good scientific practice, and how to structure your written works. The fifth topic is shaping the future. Here you have the possibility to learn more about yourself, your goals, and your future, and everything you need for a career in balance with you and with others, and about good leadership. So where do you find all these? You find our whole program on our website, and when you see at the point Beratungsangebote, you will find special services like individual advice we provide to you to special topics. And for international students, you find also some offers which could be very interesting for you, but you're of course welcome in all of our courses. Okay. Perhaps you ask yourself, is this for free or do I have to pay for it? How can I participate? So of course for students from KIT it's free. You just have to register for our courses and you get ECTS credits in all the classes, and you can credit our courses as interdisciplinary qualifications or additional examinations. Wherever you are or wherever you are from, the House of Competence is looking forward to seeing you. We're very happy to see you. Bye-bye, see you soon.